Hello everyone, my name is Pham. I'm 10 years old. I live in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam, and I'm honored to be the top 50 Young Ambassador Awareness International Young Talent Award 2022. And today I would like to talk about my picture on environmental awareness. We are so grateful that we live on the beautiful planet Earth. But the outer solar system is not like the Earth. So we need to very thankful because the Earth have everything, such as food, water, air, and living habitat. And you're very lucky to live in this planet Earth. However, when you are outside of the solar system, you need to wear space shirt. But if you're in the Earth, you're very lucky. You can freely breathe and you wear your choice clothes. But nowadays, people throw in trash with food and they polluted air. They even chop down tree and burn it and make a house. But you know, the Earth protect us, and it helps us. It gives us air to breathe freely, and it gives us trees, green tree to breathe. But when the factory, when the factory polluted air in the city, and now many young people going, and there's many animals die because of their living habitat. Even the sea animal, because you throw in plastic and trash down the sea, and when the animals see anything they can eat, when they eat trash you throw, it will die because of you throwing trash. Now, many young people go outside when they see trash to pick up it and they put in the trash, but some children is not. So you need to say them very polite with them and say them kindly and help them to protect the earth. Now, you know how to recycle, yeah? Bottle and plastic can recycle. You can recycle a bottle, a blank, and a toys to play. Yeah, and you need to plant more trees and turning off the light when in need. You need to put the trash in correct place. And we're so thankful that we live on the beautiful planet Earth. Let's join hands. Let's trust our hands to protect the Earth. Thank you.